for this.
Oh, Romeo, get your story straight. This is all fate. I'm Juliet, and I'm Capulet. I'm running this. Let's go. Oh, Romeo, oh, Romeo, hey, I'm in love with you, and you're a Montague. Oh, Romeo, and that you already knew. I'm only 14 and I'm marrying. My dad says Paris is the one for me. But at a Capulet party where he shouldn't be, Romeo saw and fell in love with me.
We had a kiss, one I would miss, so I made nurse go find his name. He's a Montague, what a shame. Now it will never be the same.
So then we fell in love and could not come free of, and we decided to marry in secret, and I will not regret. So with Friar's help, it would all be dealt. Maybe the end of the evil will be met.
Then maybe love killed Tybalt, only because Mercutio's death. But it would all be set, and you better not forget.
Yeah, go Romeo. Now Romeo leads to Mantua. In a bed drink the poison and makes me seem dead. But no one told Romeo is fake, and he killed himself before I had to awake. For goodness sake. Yeah.
Look at myself with my love dagger, falling on him and the two were in. Our family saw us dead with all the tears I shed.
Oh, it's a shame, Romeo. Yeah.
I never thought the fight would be over, even though we had to risk our lives.
Woo!
Maybe it survives. Never thought I'd see the day when the Capulets and Montagues agree. Leave me when I say I love you, Romeo. Oh, Romeo, I'm in love with you and you're a Montague. Oh, Romeo, and that you already knew.
Woo!
Thank you very much.